The cosine law can be used to work out missing sides or angles within triangles that are not particularly right angled. It can be expressed as a squared equals b squared plus c squared take 2bc cos a, in which each side has the same letter as the opposite angle. Length A is the opposite sides of angle A, and length BC is adjacent to sides next to angle A. The cosine rule can be used in two scenarios: when we know two sides and the angle between them, and we are finding the missing third side, or when we know all three sides and we're trying to find one angle. Let's try a worked example. Right, in here, you need to calculate the length of BC of triangle ABC. So AB is equals to 5, AC is equal to 9, and angle BAC is 40 degrees. By applying the cosine law, we would get a squared equals 5 squared plus 9 squared take 2 times 5 times 9 cos 40. This then becomes a squared equals 37.055. In order to find BC, we then square root the number above, and we successfully get 6.09, which is corrected to 3 significant figures. Remember, whilst applying the square root, please do not round any values until the end of your working. Here's another example for you. Feel free to pause the video if you want to have a go. To find the length BC of this triangle, AB is root 10, AC is 5 root 13, and angle BAC is 30 degrees. Again, by applying the cosine law of a squared equals b squared plus c squared take 2bc cos a, we would get bc squared equals root 10 squared plus 5 root 13 all squared take 2 times root 10 times 5 root 13 times cosine 30. This equals to 236.2579, etc. By applying the square root, we then get 15.4, which is rounded to 3 sig figs. In your exam, the cosine law can also be used to find unknowns if the lengths of the triangle are given algebraically. In this triangle, AB is x, BC is x plus 2, and AC is 5, with an angle of ABC of 60. By applying the cosine law this time, we would have 5 squared equals x plus 2 all squared plus x squared take 2x times x plus 2 times cos 60. And finally, by rearranging the equation, we get x squared plus 2x take 21. And by either completing the square or using the quadratic formula, we get negative 2 plus or minus root 88 over 2. So x would be equals to negative 2 plus or minus root 88 over 2. Now remember, this gives us two solutions, one positive, one negative. Since x has to be positive, we therefore take the positive answer, which is 3.69, in 3 significant figures. The cosine law is especially useful when it's used to find missing angles or lengths within a triangle. However, in some situations where 2 lengths and an angle, or 2 angles and a length are given, the sine rule might be preferable. For more information on the sine rule, trigonometry and other maths resources, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and start learning for free at novanotes.org.